Happy Feast. October 27th, we celebrate the feast of Saint Teresa Verzeri. She was born in an Italian family as the eldest daughter in a 7-member family. And she found out her vocation as mothering of all the people on earth. She became a mother to everybody, like Mother Teresa of Calcutta, like Mother Teresa of Avila. So she found out her calling and she joined the Benedictine Abbey. But then she realized that her true calling, the call within her call, she discerned. And she moved out of the congregation to found Daughters of Sacred Heart of Jesus. The Congregation of Sacred Heart of Jesus was born in 1831. She lived only for 52 years. And in that 52 years, she was designing her life, the calling, the value of life. What are we called for? She was a mystic. She lived the life of austerity. And she found her calling as magnanimous charity. This is what she advised. This is what she asked everybody to have. This love, the love of Christ that she experienced, the love of the Lord for all the generation. Let this love transform the world. Let us become magnanimous. Let us become generous. Let us become all to all. Let Saint Teresa Verzeri intercede for us so that we become all to all. God bless.